Hi, Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint behind a towel rail neatly. If you would like to purchase some of the similar tools that I use for this task, please feel free to check out the links in the description below. And also, if you're planning on doing any other decorating works, please feel free to check out my tool store. The link is also in the description below. So with that said, let's do this! The tools for this task is a paintbrush, a little Fitch brush, a long arm rad roller, a mini roller bucket and a paint kettle. This is the towel rail we're going to be painting behind. First of all, with my paintbrush, I'm cutting down the side of the kitchen cupboard and cutting around the light switch. And then I just get my long arm rad roller and just carefully start painting behind the towel rail. I like to try and get as close as I can up to them bracket bits without touching them, because then it doesn't leave me so much to touch in with my Fitch brush. If you would like to know how to paint behind a radiator, please feel free to check out the card on the top right hand corner of the screen, or you can wait until the end of the video where it will pop up on an end screen. Right, now I've rolled the first half behind this towel rail, it's time to just touch in around the brackets with the Fitch paintbrush. This is some before footage of the kitchen that I was painting from where I did the video of this towel rail. Please stay tuned towards the end of the video, you'll see the finished footage. Right, let's get back on with painting behind this towel rail. All we need to do is simply repeat the process on this bottom half of the towel rail. And also remember, if you would like to purchase some of the similar tools that I use for this task, please feel free to check out the links in the description below. Or if you're planning on doing any other decorating work, please feel free to check out my tool store. The link is also in the description below. These are the finished clips of the project. And here is the towel rail all painted behind nice and neatly. And that is how to paint behind a towel rail neatly. If you've got anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any future videos, and please feel free to leave a comment down below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and take care.